Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making ogbono soup without vegetables. If you have not tried this recipe, please stay tuned and watch full video. So inside this pot I have an empty pot. I've introduced goat meat, stockfish and dry fish. So these are the proteins we'll be using for today. So I will then add salt for taste, then seasoning cube. I used just a cube, then water. I will then cover and allow it to steam. I'll check to see if it is soft enough, and obviously it is not. I'll have to cover it, come back after some time to check on it, and at this point it is good to go. Yeah, I'll then have to start introducing my ingredients one after the other, which is palm oil. Then the next is the chief host for the day, and that is ogbono. I blended this ogbono with enough crayfish and dry pepper. Yeah, I blended the three together. Then the next ingredient is Ghana dry pepper. I love this pepper because of its unique taste and flavor. After which I will have to stir to prevent it from being lumpy. I'll stir very well. Let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. To you seeing this video, thank you so much. All my returning and new subscribers, this soup is for you. Love you. At this point, it is good to go.